Hey guys, Kurt from Time Machine Transport. So at the shop today, I'm detailing my wife's car. So if this, actually I'll just do it while we can. What I'm doing is, oh shit, I just sprayed these seats. Hold on. All right, sorry about that. This is a 2010 Ford show. So listen to the noise and I'll tell you what it is. That is a AC actuator. I actually saw this online. So we went and we ordered the part on Amazon. It's called a AC actuator. There's the part number. Of course, it's made in China, right? And this unit was like 27 bucks. And if you have Prime, it's free delivery. So first thing we got to do is we got to pop the glove compartment off, and you can see. Hold on, let me see where my flashlight is. Let me grab a flashlight. All right. So the first thing you do, empty out your glove box, and if you look up underneath here, you can see there's a hinge right here, and then there's another one on this side. Can you see that? And what you do is it should just pop. Yep, okay. I'm trying to do it without breaking those clips. There we go. And that was easy. I didn't think it was going to be that easy. And our actuator is right there, that white box. And that's the, I don't know if that's why it's ticking, is because of that, or the system doesn't read something. I thought it was my wife's AC, so I filled the AC, but it kept going, or it kept ticking, so I'm like, oh shit. So I'm going to put you on pause, and I'm going to unplug it and get a hex or a nut or a lug to pull that off. So I'm going to put you on pause. Okay guys, easy enough. We got a set of these, which is super nice. I mean, you can get a socket up in there as well, but it's a 5/16 drive or socket, whichever you're going to use. And then you're going to need a flat tip screwdriver just in case you got to pop that sensor off. So I'm going to go ahead and put you on pause. I'm going to pull it off. All right, got the bolts on them. See how she comes out.